Hey everyone, welcome back to Sue's Kitchen. Sue's cooking here. So the other day I did power cooking. So I power cooked chicken, I power cooked beef, and I also power cooked a whole bunch of chocolate chip cookie dough. So I always say if I'm going to spend any bit of time in the kitchen, then I'm going to double or triple the batch of something I'm making so that it'll save me time later. So tonight I have a meeting and I offered to bring ice cream cookies for ice cream sandwiches. So I have a really busy schedule today. So what I did was I just pulled out of the freezer my cookie dough, and you can see on our stackable cooling racks here, I have my first batch of chocolate chip cookie dough. So I'm just going to use our stoneware, and you'll notice how lovely our stones are when they're well seasoned. They get brown as you start using them, and eventually they'll turn black. Whoops, it'll turn black as the cover of my flat top stove. So one of the things that I want to tell you about stoneware that you may not already know is that you don't want to put frozen food on your stone first until your oven heats up. So I had a friend who put a frozen pizza on it while he was waiting for his oven to heat up. And what happens is it makes your stone cold. And because it has a porous surface, you're going to give it thermal shock. So when he took a cold stone and stuck it in a hot oven, it would snap in half. And that happened a couple times. And so I asked him what was happening. And when he told me, I said, I know exactly what you're doing wrong. What you want to do is you want to leave your frozen pizza, your frozen cookie dough balls, leave them in the freezer until your oven has beeped and is heated up and ready to roll, and then go ahead and put it on your stone. The other thing you want to know about stoneware is that you're supposed to spread your food out. So if you're cooking leftover Chinese food, tater tots, French fries, you definitely want to put them on a stone, because that will crisp back up anything that is breaded and cooked so that you get a nice wonton. But what you want to know is that you want to spread it out so that 2/3 of your stone is covered with food. And the reason for that is the same idea. You don't want to get thermal shock. So if you're going to be watching this video as a playback, I want you to comment below thermal shock, and those people that don't know what thermal shock is, you can say thermal shock, watch the video. So, and if you do that, I'll give you extra bonus points. So thanks for watching Sue's Cooking, and I will see you all online.